how many of us truly understand the importance of penetration testing in today's digital world? If you're thinking, what's that, or why should I care? Then let's dive right in. Imagine this. You've just built a fortress. It's got towering walls, a sturdy gate, and maybe even a moat filled with ferocious crocodiles. Looks invincible, right? But wouldn't you want to test it first before the enemies show up? That's where penetration testing or pentesting comes into play. In the vast realm of the internet, threats are as real as they are in any physical battlefield. Cyber criminals are always on the prowl, searching for any chink in your fortress's armor. They're like the enemies trying to invade your fortress. And your defense is only as strong as its weakest link. Pen testing is essentially a simulated attack on a computer system, network, or web application to find vulnerabilities that could be exploited. It's like inviting a friendly knight to test your castle's defenses before the actual enemy arrives. This practice plays a crucial role in securing our digital world. As we increasingly rely on technology in every aspect of our lives, the potential damage from cyber threats grows in tandem. From personal data breaches to crippling attacks on critical infrastructure, the stakes have never been higher. Pen testing helps organizations identify and fix vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. It provides a comprehensive view of a system's security posture, highlighting areas of weakness and recommending improvements. It's not just about finding and fixing issues, but also about understanding how those issues could be exploited, helping organizations to anticipate and prevent attacks. But despite its crucial role in cybersecurity, pen testing is often overlooked. Some organizations see it as an unnecessary expense, while others simply don't understand its value. But let's be clear, it's not a matter of if a cyber attack will happen, but when. And when it does, the cost of not having conducted pen testing can be astronomical. The importance of pen testing cannot be overstated, yet many organizations overlook it. As we continue to navigate the digital landscape, it's time we give pen testing the attention it deserves. Stay with us as we delve further into the objectives of pen testing in the upcoming scenes. So what exactly are the objectives of penetration testing? The first objective is the identification of weaknesses. You see, penetration testing, often referred to as pen testing, is like a mock drill for your system's security. It's a controlled form of hacking where cybersecurity professionals try to breach your system, effectively putting it to the test. The primary goal here? To discover vulnerabilities. These could be anything from software bugs, system misconfigurations, to risky end-user behavior. Each vulnerability is a potential entry point for attackers, a chink in your armor, if you will. But here's the beauty of pen testing. By finding these weaknesses first, organizations can patch them up before any real attack happens. Think of it as a preemptive strike in the world of cybersecurity. It's about staying one step ahead, fortifying your systems, and ensuring your digital fortress is as impregnable as possible. By identifying weaknesses, pen testing ensures the robustness of an organization's cybersecurity. The second objective of penetration testing is the testing of security measures. This involves simulating attacks to gauge the effectiveness of an organization's cyber defenses. Just like a fire drill tests a building's evacuation plan, pen testing tests an organization's security measures. Imagine a castle with a high wall and a moat. These are its security measures, but how can we be sure they're effective? We test them. We simulate an attack, see if the defenses hold up, and identify any weak points. That's exactly what pen testing does for an organization's cyber defenses. This process helps ensure that the security measures aren't just for show. They must function as intended, protecting valuable data from cyber threats. It's about turning passive defenses into active ones, combating threats before they can cause damage. Testing of security measures is a crucial objective of pen testing, ensuring the effectiveness of the organization's cyber defenses. The third objective of pen testing is compliance with regulations. In the digital world, numerous cybersecurity regulations govern how organizations manage and protect data. These rules differ across countries and industries, but the common thread is the requirement for robust security measures to protect sensitive information. Penetration testing plays a pivotal role in ensuring that an organization's cybersecurity measures are up to par with these regulations. It serves as an audit of sorts, highlighting areas where compliance may be falling short and offering a roadmap for improvement. Non-compliance isn't just about ticking boxes. It can lead to legal repercussions, hefty fines, and a significant blow to the organization's reputation. Imagine the fallout if a customer's sensitive data were to be compromised due to inadequate security measures. That's why to be on the safe side of the law and to maintain trust with stakeholders. Compliance with regulations is a key objective of pen testing, helping organizations avoid legal issues and maintain their reputation. In summary, pen testing plays a crucial role in maintaining the security of an organization's information systems. This process of simulated cyber attacks on a computer system, network, or web application is a vital tool in the cybersecurity arsenal. It serves three primary objectives, each of which fortifies an organization's defense against real-world cyber threats. Firstly, pen testing helps in the identification of weaknesses within a system. It's a proactive approach that allows organizations to discover vulnerabilities before they're exploited by malicious parties. By intentionally probing for weak spots, pen testing can reveal gaps in security that may be invisible during routine checks, from software bugs to weak passwords and everything in between. The second objective of pen testing is the testing of security measures. It's not enough to merely implement security protocols. They must be thoroughly tested to ensure they function as intended. Pen testing provides a practical, hands-on method of testing these measures under conditions that mimic real cyber attacks. It's like a fire drill for your digital infrastructure, ensuring your defenses can withstand the heat of an actual breach. Finally, pen testing aids in compliance with regulations. In many industries, there are strict guidelines and requirements for cybersecurity. Regular pen testing can help ensure that an organization is not just meeting these standards, but exceeding them. It provides tangible proof of a company's commitment to security, which can be vital in building trust with clients and stakeholders. Each of these objectives is a pillar that supports the overall structure of an organization's cybersecurity strategy. They work in tandem to create a robust and resilient defense, protecting valuable data and maintaining the integrity of systems. So whether it's unearthing hidden vulnerabilities, testing the mettle of your security measures, or demonstrating regulatory compliance, pen testing is an invaluable tool. Understanding the objectives of pen testing is essential for any organization seeking to maintain the integrity of its information systems and protect against cyber threats.